How to fix CarX Street not opening. So if you want to fix your CarX Street not opening on your iOS device, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your app store and then search for CarX Street. Once you've searched for it, now you need to scroll down and make sure that here the given information and your mobile device has the given size or has the compatibility. Like here it says works on this iPhone, but it says it requires iOS 13 or later. But if you have some old versions, then it might not be capable. So make sure that your device is capable to run that application. Once you're done with this, you need to go back, open up your settings. Under settings, scroll down and go with general section. Now under general, you need to go with iPhone storage. The other thing is you need to make sure that you have storage on your device, because if you don't have some storage, then you won't be able to launch or play the game, because the game itself has some huge amount of space. So you need to go with your space, and if you don't have any space, then you just need to simply go and delete some of your space. After deleting, your problem might be fixed. Or the other thing you can do is just go back, scroll all the way down, tap on apps, and then scroll down again. Here you will have Safari, tap on Safari, and under your Safari you can scroll down and you will have clear history option. So tap on clear history and website data, and then you can select close all tabs, go with all history, close all tabs, turn this on and go with clear history. After clearing your history, your problem might be fixed. You can go and power off your device and then again power on, and it will fix your problem. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.